you work for the cops?
Nope.
Get that camera out of here before I break it. Get it out of here.
No.
Get the fuck out of here. Where are you from? What's your name? What do you represent? Can I talk to this guy?
Well, hold on. I'll just sign this. You're gonna talk to him.
Copy, code 4.
Don't do that. Hey, you want to go have a beer?
Nope.
Let's go to your house.
I'm good.
Are you alright? What's your name?
I don't want to shake your hand.
Why
You
not?
tell me you're gonna break my camera? Get out of here, dude.
Well, what are you doing?
I'm filming the police because I film the police everywhere they are.
Is that your job?
It's my job.
Why didn't you explain yourself?
Because I don't need to. I don't know who you are.
You heard what they were talking about.
No, I didn't hear shit. I just walked up.
Back off.
I'm standing right here, dude.
Get out of here.
No. Crazy ass. All right, later.